In this video, we are going to look at flushing as one of the cleaning method. As stated in the cleaning by blowing section, it is also advisable to avoid flushing into vessels, as debris displaced into the equipment may become very difficult and costly to remove and to prevent unnecessary damage. Always ensure to check the water quality being used, as some water sources can corrode to specific types of pipework. For instance, if the water contains chloride, which can accelerate corrosion and compromise the integrity of the system. Connecting the pipe to be flushed to the source using a hose. Fill the pipe system and continue flushing until no visible debris exits the pipe. For better results, consider flushing through a sieve to collect and examine the removed debris. It's important to note, always flush from a high point down to a low point. Attempting to flush in an upward direction is far less effective in removing debris and may not yield the desired results. Safety is paramount when flushing a system. It is worth to note that open vent valves before draining a filled system to prevent a vacuum from forming. Be sure to remove delicate inline piping items beforehand to avoid potential damage during the flushing process. Ensure that all personnel stay clear of drain points, particularly if the flushing is taking place at elevated sections of the plant, to avoid unnecessary risks. Next, install temporary strainers in pump systems to capture debris and protect equipment. Inform your water providers in advance about any large-scale flushing activities to coordinate supply. Plan for proper drainage of flush water by establishing adequate routes, including the use of temporary tanks, containers, or bund areas, while ensuring compliance with environmental discharge regulations. Always have spill kits and gully covers readily available to address potential emergencies effectively.